Hello, good morning. Today our topic is from the subject of hospital and clinical pharmacy. It's the topic for D pharmacy second year students. Hospital and clinical pharmacy, it has two parts. One is hospital pharmacy and one is the clinical pharmacy. It covers the syllabus in two parts, 50% syllabus of the hospital pharmacy and 50% syllabus of the clinical pharmacy. So it's the first chapter of hospital pharmacy is the hospital and their organization. Hospital and their organization is the first lesson. In this lesson, we discuss about the first start from the hospital. What is hospital? Hospital is the term taken from Latin, means hospitum. Hospitium. Hospitium means receive the guest. In which hospital we receive the guest. What type of guest? Sick people, ill people, and different type. Let me discuss again in the next topic. So hospital means where the guests are received. Now let me discuss the difference between early hospital and present hospital. Early hospital and present hospital have different structure, different meaning. In the early hospital and present hospital, they different from their functions. Early hospital have different functions and present hospital have different functions. Now, every person is well familiar with their terms about awareness about healthcare system, because life begins from the hospital at the time of birth today, and we remain in touch or contact throughout life to the hospital. So nowadays present hospital have different functions, but early hospital have different. Early hospital have function of segregationals. They segregate the sick people from the healthy one, and custodial is their function. Early hospitals is for the care for the severely ill people, only severely ill people, and this hospital keep the socially depressed people, physically handicapped people, and socially unwanted person from the society, they keep in the hospital. Some of the financially weak peoples, so this type of service gives the early hospital. But now a hospital is different. But in early hospital, even till time of independence, there was opinion of the people regarding early hospital that who was hospitalized may not return back alive. In the early hospital, people think they have opinion that the once any person admit in the hospital, early hospital, they may not return back to home. But nowadays, view for the hospital is changed. In present hospital, that gives the different service from the early hospital. It gives the service not for curative purpose, it prevent and rehabilitation function also. It performs the function of preventive and rehabilitation. In addition to this, present hospital have more functions. For example, research, training to medical and medical and nursing students, paramedical personals, and another function is the very important function which we discuss in the clinical pharmacy, that is patient counseling. It is the function of the modern hospital. And the next one is public awareness on disease. It also performs the function by present hospital. Public awareness about the disease in community. It trains the pupil, the person of like that X-ray technician, lab technician, and it gives the education to social worker also. So this is the main difference of early hospital and present hospital. Now according to present hospital, now the definition of hospital comes, means what is the hospital? It can be defined as the institution of the community. Nowadays, we can say that hospital is defined as it is the institute of a community, because it performs every function: education function, training function, research function, and healthcare to the community. It performs all the functions. Next topic is function of a modern hospital. Function of a modern hospital or present hospital. There are 4 functions which carried out by the hospital. First one is patient care. Second is training. Third one is medical research. Fourth is healthcare. So modern hospital perform different 4 type of functions, and modern hospital is the integral part of social and medical organization which devoted to complete healthcare. That is not only for curative, but it also performs the preventive functions. Its service reach out to home environment. It's a center for training of medical students. We can say that it's a center for training of medical education. If we see or discuss the function of one by one, number 1 is patient care. It cares to the sick or injured person. It provides care to sick or injured person without any preference to race, social or economical conditions or any other considerations. It gives the service to all person of the community. In modern hospital, have a different type of service like that of emergency service, OPD service, outpatient department. OPD is also known as outpatient department, indoor patient. So it gives the 3 type of service for the patient care: emergency service, OPD, and indoor patient. Where the patient are admitted for few days or some long time. And OPD, outpatient department. Patients come in the hospital and take their medicine and back to home. So the patient care is the one of the most important function of the hospital. And next is the training. It imparts the education and training. It is also the important function of the modern hospital. educating patient in the area of psychiatric, social, physical occupational rehabilitations, and it also run the special education program on cardiac, diabetic patients, for AIDS, cancer, and cardiac disease. Third one is the medical research. In medical research, the modern hospital develops new method of treatment and improve service in the field of like that of surgical procedures for AIDS patients, for cancer patient, diabetic patients. So it gives the also important service. It promotes the service of the hospital. The fourth function of public health, it is also performed by the modern hospital. It supports the activity carried by public health agencies or voluntary agencies to prevent disease in the community and also promote positive health attitude in the community. So it gives 4 type of functions: patient care, training, medical research, and public health. In training, it also gives the function of to train the students of medical, nursing, and paramedical students. So this is the 4 type of function of a modern hospital. Next topic will be classification of hospital. So thank you. Today cover only this topic.